It could be the perfect house, the perfect property, but is it too good to be true? According to the FBI, its Internet Crime Complaint Center received more than 9,500 complaints about real estate-based fraud last year, adding up to more than $145 million in losses, more than the money lost to identity theft crimes. And while real estate internet crimes were down overall in 2023 compared to the previous 2 years, Ohio's top experts are warning against a rise in one particular type of fraud: fake real estate listings that could involve trying to sell a property owned by somebody else or forging documents to transfer a deed to somebody else. News 5's Clay Lepard examines just how easily that can be done.
It's a property not worth a second glance. 5 undeveloped acres in Lorain County that attorney Christina Hronek was in charge of selling after the death of her client in October 2020.
The gentleman passed away without a will.
The courts take time, and when she got around to it, she noticed the owner had actually sold the property, valued at $120,000, for only $20,000. The problem was his signature was dated more than 6 months after he died.
It was clear fraud, clear as day. 6 months after he died, somebody created a deed, forged his name, got it notarized, recorded it with Lorain County Recorder, and he was no longer entitled.
Hronek says that property was in the process of being sold again to someone else, but they were able to stop it to prove who really owned it.
It is a very scary thing.
Daphne Hawk runs the Ohio Division of Real Estate and Professional Licensing and says they're seeing more cases of this: rushed real estate listings that aren't properly vetted by agents or notaries, only to learn that the owner isn't the one selling it.
The most likely target of these scams are individuals who own their property free and clear. There's not a mortgage on it. And the other thing is they're often seniors.
From what you've seen, is it hard to do?
No.
So what can be done? What can you as a homeowner do about it? You can sign up for property fraud alerts, where the county recorder will notify you if anything with your name comes through their offices. For attorney Christina Hronek, she would love to see security taken one step further.
It's another form of identity theft, is basically what it is.
By requiring an attorney to act as the notary in real estate transfers.
All attorneys are notaries. Okay, and so therefore, if I am going to be notarizing something for someone who I don't know, I'm definitely getting ID. If an attorney is involved in fraud, they're gonna lose their license to practice. And I know most attorneys would not risk that.
$7,000, and 6 months later, Hronek says they were able to recover this property and ultimately sell it themselves. A luxury she says not everyone has.
If it happens, hope you have the money to fix it, and hope everything lines up. And so it's as smooth as possible to get the property back.
In Lorain County, Clay Lepard, News 5.
Man, oh man, just last week, Senate Bill 94 passed in the Ohio House and the Senate. It still awaits a signature from the governor, but would allow for a county recorder's office to accept digital documents. Real estate experts say this could make forgery more difficult than simply walking into a courthouse with signed documents. Something to think about everywhere you turn. My golly.